In this video, we have to simplify this radical equation. Square root of 48 times square root of 75 times square root of 108 divided by square root of 48 plus square root of 75 plus square root of 108, and we're not allowed to use a calculator. Let's try to simplify square root of 48, square root of 75, and square root of 108. Square root of 48 is equal to square root of 3 times square root of 16. And it is equal to 4 times square root of 3. Square root of 75 is equal to square root of 3 times square root of 25. And it is equal to 5 times square root of 3. Square root of 108 is equal to square root of 3 times square root of 36. Square root of 36 is equal to 6. Thus, 108 square root is equal to 6 times square root of 3. And we can let square root of 3 equal to x. So, square root of 48 is equal to 4 times square root of 3 equal to 4 times x. Multiplied by square root of 75 is equal to 5 times square root of 3 equal to 5x. We put 5x here. Times square root of 108 is equal to 6 times square root of 3, which is equal to 6 times x. We'll do the same thing with this addition. It's 4x plus 5x plus 6x. 4 times 5 times 6 is 120. And x multiplied 3 times is x cubed. The cube of 3 is 27. So our x cubed is equal to square root of 27. Divide by 4x plus 5x plus 6x is equal to 15x. 120 divided by 15 is equal to 8. And x cubed divided by x is x squared. And if you take the square on both sides of square root of 3 equal to x squared is equal to 3. Because you remove the square root. Now, let's plug in the value of 8x squared. X squared is simply 3, so we put here 8 times 3 equal to 24. And 24 is our final answer. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Goodbye.